Hello, YouTube, and my lovely subscribers. Before we start the video, I just want to say like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video and tell me what you think. So, I've been getting a lot of comments to make this video. A lot of you all have been inboxing me, how do I make my lash shampoo, what to get, and to just basically make a tutorial. So, here we are. You're going to need 3 ingredients. You're going to need Prolong concentrate. You can get it from Prolong.com. Lash Poo foam bottles from Amazon. I got a pack of 24 from Amazon. It was about, I think, $18.99. Distilled water. You want distilled water because you don't want the minerals inside the water. So I don't go exactly by the Prolong instructions. It says 1 part Prolong, 2 part water mix. I felt like that was a little bit too strong and I wasn't getting my money's worth. So this is what I do. And do about 5 to 6 squeezes per bottle. 5 to 6. You'll see where I still have some left and I'll go back and squeeze some more. But in all, it was about 5 to 6 squeezes per bottle.
Hey, they go step my bird before I shop around town. Ain't no industry, slanging these boss for a while. No second guessing the guys, cause they gon' hold it down. No dealings with you clown. Silencers on everything, made no sound. I got a bad, so dirt for dirt, she gon' stick around. Only chasing the bad, I don't miss with the crowd.
Before you move, gotta watch your surround. I had lost myself, then I had found. They only belittle the boy, they just down. So you joking, but on the real, I know you clown. I ain't with the bad mouth, they climbing the mountain. I got with ones who riding, don't need no vouchers for me. When you fall, you gon' find out who all on your team. If them niggas ain't solid, then I don't need them around with me.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Looks like you lost
Put my heart in this shit, who gon' try stop us now? Hey, they go step my bird before I shop around town. Ain't no industry, slanging these boss for a while. No second guessing the guys, cause they gon' hold it down. No dealings with you clown. Silencers on everything, made no sound. I got a bad, so dirt for dirt, she gon' stick around. Only chasing the bad, I don't mix with the crowd.
I fill the water bottles to about right here. It's a little more water than in the instructions, but I feel like that makes it better for around the eyes. It's not as strong and it doesn't burn my clients.
Tryna convince the bros they won't leave the street. No reset, they on ready for any beef. Cousin cut on the stove, learn the recipe. Told me stick to the rapping. So the young keep going, make the streets bleed. Start with weed, I was trapping. Had to get it, and no one look out for me.
I hop straight in the booth, let my soul bleed. If you take one of mine, then we all leave. Hoes got it, we gotta live our dream. Say I'm too hot in the yo, I let all steam. Swear I used to be happy. Now I look at myself like what happened to me. Know this music my passion. The mic told me to stay in the yo and don't leave.
Wanna do they hear me? They ain't fucking with weed. I might roll me some weed.
roll up the gas.
If you asking for me, bitch, I'm gon' bring the team. Everybody gon' eat. No, I'm gon' put on for my nigga. Become satisfied when a youngin' reach 5 figures. Put my heart in this shit, who gon' try stop us now? Hey, they go step my bird before I shop around town. Ain't no industry, slanging these boss for a while. No second guessing the guys, cause they gon' hold it down. No dealings with you clown. Silencers on everything, made no sound. I got a bad, so dirt for dirt.
Okay, so now you can cap your bottles. Every time you cap the bottle, you're gonna want to give it a shake. Make sure that it's mixed really, really well. Doing it this way gives it a really nice foamy consistency. It's a real smooth, nice consistency. I love it. So, yeah. I want you guys to try it and tell me how you like it. I will be uploading some more Lash With Me videos, so look out for that. I got a lot coming for you guys. I'm just putting out stuff that I think you may need before I get, real deep in it. So, yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Looks like you lost
Yeah. Put my heart in this shit, who gon' try stop us now? Had they go step my breath before I shop around town. Ain't no industry, slanging these boss for a while. No second guessing the guys cause they gon' hold it down. No dealings with you clowns. Silencers on everything, make no sound. I got a bad so dirt for dirt, she gon' stick around. Only chasing the bag, I don't mix with the crowd.
Before you move, gotta watch your surroundings. I had lost myself, then I had found. They only belittle the boy, they just down. Say you joking, but on the real, I know you ain't clown. I ain't with the bad mouth, the climbing the mountain. I got with ones who riding, don't need no vouchers for me. When you fall, you gon' find out who all on your team. If them niggas ain't solid, then I don't need them around me.
If I take out then fuck it, we all win. Tryna convince the bros they won't leave the street. No reset, they on ready for any beef. Cousin could on the stove, learn the recipe. Told me stick to the rapping. So the young kid gon' make the streets bleed. Start with weed, I was trapping. Had to get it, and no one look out for me.
I hop straight in the booth, let my soul bleed. If you take one of mine, then we all leave. Toes got it, we gotta live our dreams. Say I'm too hot in the yo, I let all steam. Swear I used to be happy. Now I look at myself like what happened to me. Know this music my passion. The mic told me to stay in the yo and don't leave.
Wanna do they hear me? They ain't fucking with weed. I might roll me some weed. If you asking for me, bitch, I'm gon' bring the team. Everybody gon' eat. No, I'm gon' put on for my nigga. Become satisfied when a youngin' reach 5 figures. Put my heart in this shit, who gon' try stop us now? Had they go step my breath before I shop around town.